Bork. Jenna. Jenna and Pepper, there's someone at the front door. I need you to go answer it for me.
Good, Bubby. Good, Bubby. I wonder who's at the front door.
My name is Pepper the Fireman, and someone sent you this mail from a different country. I need you to go open it and see what it is. Says that somebody wants to call you. Here, take it, take the mail.
Go check your phone. Somebody wants to talk to you, Jenna. Time to go to my phone and see what's on there. No!
I can't believe that one meme guy likes to simp over this red demon. It's crazy, man. Oh shoot. Who's this call from? This is from Jenna's tablet too, so I need to go talk to her about this.